Tennant Company, a leader in developing innovative solutions that help create a cleaner, safer, healthier world, brings you the M30 high-performance integrated sweeper scrubber. Lower cost to clean and reduce the need for multiple machines with an integrated machine that can sweep and scrub. Achieve outstanding cleaning results in just one pass, wet or dry, with Floor Smart technology that combines sweeping and scrubbing functions in a single machine. The M30 delivers excellent sweeping, scrubbing, water recovery, and edge-to-edge cleaning performance. Ensure consistent cleaning results with Max Pro 2 hydraulic technology that provides consistent power to the brush drive motors regardless of floor surface changes. The synthetic fiber panel filter performs to the same specifications wet or dry, providing exceptional dust control during both wet and dry sweeping. An optional scrubbing side brush increases productivity by expanding your cleaning path. Reduce training and simplify operation with a standard touch-and-go control module that easily and comfortably lets the operator activate cleaning functions while maintaining an eyes-forward position with both hands on the steering wheel. The optional Pro Panel control module integrates multiple controls into an intuitive touchscreen interface, simplifying operation and ensuring consistent cleaning performance for all operators. Performance View featured on the Pro Panel allows operators a rear view of the cleaning path without taking their eyes off the direction of travel. Operators can now clearly see behind the machine while backing up, enhancing safety. M30's spacious cab-forward design, steering wheel-mounted controls, and open sightlines provide increased visibility and operator comfort. Easy-to-identify yellow maintenance touch points make pre-inspections and routine maintenance quick and easy. The squeegee and brushes are tool-free and designed to be removed easily and quickly for inspection. Clean up to 3 times longer on a single tank of water and use up to 70% less water with Tennant's innovative EC Water technology. EC Water technology reduces environmental impact and improves your bottom line by providing increased productivity and chemical cost savings. An optional spray hose makes machine spray down and cleanup easy, and an optional high-powered pressure washer allows for blast cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. Protect your facility, operator, and assets with a standard heavy-duty wraparound steel bumper and optional rear squeegee guard. An optional overhead guard helps protect the operator from falling objects and debris. Eliminate the need to manually handle debris with a powered high dump. To keep your machine running at peak performance, utilize Tennant True Parts and Service, backed by a factory-trained service network. Tennant's M30, delivering exceptional sweeping and scrubbing performance, reduced cost to clean, improved facility image, and health and safety benefits, all in an easy-to-use and maintain integrated sweeper scrubber. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.